been on this journey with us since we launched it in September the 1st last year. So we've had a full year of this whole program, and during that time we have held over 5 training programs for all of your staff from the 8 agencies, and trained well over 340 people in total. So all of our teams, with people, as Stefan very eloquently put it, who actually service our customers. So, recognizing importance for Fijian Hosts is a key component of the whole program. We recognize firstly the importance of all of the teams, that's all of you, in what you do for the country, what you do for the industry, and how important your contribution is to the experience of every visitor who lands at Nadi Airport and every visitor who leaves from Nadi Airport. And it's also about you recognizing your importance. So all of the teams understanding that everything they do when they get up in the morning, get dressed, come to work, what they do throughout that day has a bearing on every single person they see that travels through Nadi Airport, every single person that they help as they travel through Nadi Airport. It has a bearing on their experience of Fiji. That's all of us. So this whole program, I'm really, really glad to hear or say, has been adopted and embraced by all of the agencies, and for all of that, I thank you all very, very much. Now, the purpose of our this occasion is to recognize the winners of the Fijian Host of the Month for the months from June through to October this year. And we have averaged over 70 cards per month, people commenting on the services that they've received from all the Fijian hosts from across the 8 agencies who have the wooden name badges that they wear as part of their uniform. Congratulations. Thank you very much.